Good morning, class. Uh, Today we are going to look at direct and indirect speech. Direct speech is defined as the exact words of a speaker, usually written in quotes. That is to say, the exact words of a speaker will start with a quotation mark and end with a quotation mark. Then a reported or indirect speech occurs when you report what somebody said earlier. So when in a reported speech or indirect speech, you convert it to your own language. You change it to your own language. So there are three structural changes that occur while converting direct speech to reported speech. The first change is noticed in the tense. The present tense changes to past tense. Example, if you have something like will, it will change to would, can, could, want, wanted, come, came. So these are the first change that occurs while converting direct speech to reported speech. Then there's another change that occurs in the pronoun. Pronoun, when you have something like what we have on the cardboard here, Bola said the teacher will come tomorrow. Bola said that the teacher will come tomorrow. Then you say change it to Bola said that the teacher will come tomorrow. Okay, there is no pronoun here. The change in pronoun can be in terms of I changing to he or she, depending on whether the speaker is a male or a female person. For example, Fatima said, I'm hungry. Now, this I, which is a pronoun, will be converted to she in reported speech. Example, Fatima said that she was hungry. Now, the I has changed to she because the I here refers to who? A female person. So there is a change in pronoun here. So apart from the change in pronoun, we also have change in adverb. Example, if you have noun, the word noun, which is an adverb, will change to then. If you have tomorrow, it will change to the following day. If you have today, it will change to that day. If you have an adverb like yesterday, it will change to the previous day. Okay, this one is also a change in adverb. So these are the three things that you should take into consideration while converting direct speech to reported speech. Either the reported speech can also be called indirect speech. Let's see examples of direct speech we have on the cardboard here. Bola said the teacher will come tomorrow. As you can see, the point that the direct speech started, we have a quotation mark there. Bola said, then quotation mark will start. The teacher will come tomorrow, and it will end with the quotation mark as well. Then this is the reported speech. Bola said that the teacher would come the following day. Now, tomorrow will change to the following day because tomorrow is an adverb. Now, Dauda said, are you very busy, Binta? This is the question asked in direct speech. Now, for you to convert it to reported speech, this is the way you go about doing it. Dauda asked Binta if she was very busy. All right, now look at the question mark coming before quotation mark. That is to say, even if there is a question whereby you have to append a question mark at the end of the question, the last thing at the end of the expression will be quotation mark. You will enclose it with a quotation mark, just like you start it with a quotation mark. Okay, now let's see more examples on the board. Ali said, I'm very angry now. This is an example of direct speech. Let's see the indirect counterparts. Ali said that he was very angry then. Am will change to was. And I will change to he because Ali is a male person. Now will change to was then. Because this is an adverb. There is a passage of time here. So that is why it changes from the present to the past. Now, the second example, Fatima said, my father is in Sokoto now. Let's see the indirect counterpart. Fatima said that her father was in Sokoto then. Now, my will change to was her. Because this my is refers to what here? A female person. That is why it will change to her in the reported speech. Is will change to was in the past tense form. Then the adverb now will change to then. Alright, that's it all. Then let's see the homework here. Now you are expected to convert these sentences to reported speech. The first one, Sidi said, I'm willing to learn now. You have to change it to reported speech. Then, just like number 2, where you have Bello said, I'm not afraid of failure. You also change this to reported speech. Thank you.